Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how you can earn more money on this website, how you will earn and how you make your payments. It's very simple, and to earn on this site is very easy. What the minimum payout is very small and it's legit in this site. So if you want to know more about this site that pays you money, you just need to subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more. So this site pays you in Satoshi. Yeah, I know some of you have heard about Satoshi. Anything inside that says Satoshi, there is to pay, because Satoshi is a small money. You earn that is a small money. So when you have 100 Satoshi, the minimum payout of this site here, 100 Satoshi. So when you watch this ads here for 15 seconds, you're earning 2 Satoshi. So when you watch this second ads for 30 seconds, 3 Satoshi. When you watch it for 45 seconds, it's 4 Satoshi. So how many are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is 12. When you watch all this 12 and it's what? 4 of it. So you have to earn more on it, and it's very easy to earn on this site, not stressful. So another one is what? Offer world. If you go to this offer world, you see a lot of offer in this place, a lot of offer. So when you click here now, this is the place you can earn more coin, more Satoshi. This particular offer here I'm talking about. So this is the offer here. So when you download this game and play it to the level they say you play it to, they will add what? 24 coin. So and 24 coin, one coin is 0.16 Satoshi. So when you have 24 coin, that 24 coin is going to almost like 10 Satoshi, yeah, because this is one is, and you have what, 50 coins, so we go to like up to 20 Satoshi to what, 30 Satoshi. So imagine you do this one here for your first time. This one is for first time if you first create your account. So for those of you that have created account, so this one now that what, just do this one and this one. So this is the two first one you can just do that is very easy for you to do. Just download and open the app, and it will pay you 60 coin, so 600 coin. If you click on this one, 600 coin, they say what, open, complete the first survey. When you complete the first survey, you are giving you 600 coin in this app here. So in this app here, so when you go back, so that's it about that one. So this was short link here. So when you click on this link, you are earning 4 Satoshi. When you click on the link, you are earning 4 Satoshi. When you click on the link, you are earning 4 Satoshi. The more you click, is the more Satoshi you are earning on it. So this one will boost your earnings a little bit. So in a day, you can earn up to what, 1000 Satoshi, and it's very easy to earn 1000 Satoshi. So when you refer someone, so you are gonna get up to 50% of the person income per day, 50% of the person income, and what, 10% of his earnings. So this share here means you save your money you earn in a day. So just when you earn 2000 Satoshi, you can just save 1000 Satoshi in this place. So when you save it, just save what, 0.0001 Bitcoin. So when you save it every day, what, 25, 120 to 100, so everything is what, 126% per day. So within 180 days, you earning 0.000125 Bitcoin within 180 days. So imagine you just save up to 0.01 Bitcoin, and this site you can earn up to 0.01 Bitcoin. It's very easy to earn on this site. It's not stressful. So this what, so this one here, you have to what, claim. You can only claim reward every 15 minutes. You come here and claim reward every 15 minutes. If you come here, you claim reward every 15 minutes. Okay, yes, 15 minutes. So you can claim up to 5 Satoshi. If you get luck up to 5 Satoshi or 1 Satoshi, you can claim it in this site here. So to me, what is even counting, it's going 7 minutes for me to claim another one. So when you claim it, if it's 1 Satoshi you gain, yeah, that's your luck. If you get 5 Satoshi, that's your luck. So this site is very easy. That's all about this site. This site pays in your Bitcoin address immediately. So if you go to our dashboard now, go to withdraw. So your minimum is what 100 satoshi, and it's very easy. I've done from this site before, so that's all about this site. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share these videos for more.